Oh my god. This noob uses a freaking UAV jammer. Hey Kevin, what's up? Alright, we're gonna watch a movie in my place tonight. Alright? Tell all the guys. See you later.
Hey Kaylin, wanna come over for a sleepover? Yeah, bring some movies. Oh my god, I love Cinderella Story. Alright, see you in a few. Bye.
How about we watch Die Hard?
No, man, Transformers.
I say Star Wars. What? 300.
No, man, The Matrix.
How about The Notebook?
Really, dude?
What? Why'd we invite you again?
Oh my goodness, you brought the movie. It's gonna be awesome.
I feel like we're forgetting something.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, where's the popcorn?
We have to go to the store.
I'm thirsty.
While you're up, you and Kevin go get some popcorn and we'll stay here and play video games.
Buck Jackson.
Oh man, let's lose them.
Follow them, they're getting away.
Oh man, they're catching up. Let's lose them in this school here.
Oh crap, they're going to some school. Follow them.
Take care of them, Lily.
This is for Orville Ready Rocker!
Oh crap! Ah!
Hey, Willie. What's up, Willie?
What's up?
Where's Kevin?
Oh, maybe he's popping popcorn. Oh, guys, you won't believe what happened.
Took you long enough, Kevin.
Yeah, man.
Where were you?
So you beat up 2 girls, blew up a car, all just for popcorn?
It was totally worth it.